As you recover from your surgery, the Oakworks Vitrectomy support system will allow you to find a wide range of comfortable positions while reducing the muscle strain and discomfort of the face-down position. The Vitrectomy support system will help make your recovery more comfortable, more interesting, and most importantly, more successful. The face support is designed to help you sleep more comfortably on your bed and do many interesting activities both on your bed and at your desk. The seated support is designed to offer you even more comfortable and varied activities during the day to help the time pass more quickly. These activities and suggestions for how to get the most out of your face support and seated support are shown later in this video. In this video, we'll cover the Vitrectomy face support. It comes with a crescent pad, a 3-pad system, which also can be used when you're wearing glasses, a set of covers for the 2 different face pads, a face support yoke, a chest pad, which is attached with Velcro, and an alternative chest pad called the sternum pad, the yoke cover, and the main body. And also there's the armrest shelf. First, let's go over how to set up the face support for use on the bed at the end of the bed. First, remove the pads, release the cam locks, and loosen the 2 black knobs. Remove the face rest support. Take the cover off and flip the unit over. This is important to make sure that it gets installed correctly at the end of the bed. Insert it between your upper and lower mattresses. Push it all the way in and lock the cam locks. Then install the face rest. The 2 dowels should slip in easily. Tighten the knobs and lock the 2 cam locks over. You can see there's small teeth that engage. You want to have this platform pretty level with the top of your bed. Later we'll show how to adjust it to make it more comfortable for you. Then put your flannel cover, which is washable, on the crescent pad and install it on the end of the bed. It attaches with Velcro. Take the chest pad and place it under your chest and lie down. This will give you an idea of what is a pretty comfortable position. We'll go over some ideas to make it even more comfortable in a bit. There's a little plate that backs up the crescent pad. Take that off of the pad, and it's possible to adjust the width of the pad. You want the pad to be comfortable and to make sure that your face will not fall through as you sleep or during your activities. To readjust the face rest to a more comfortable position, loosen the 2 cam locks and the knobs, and you can see that the face rest can be moved over a wide range of height and angles. So you'll have to experiment and find a position that works well for you. About level or slightly down is usually what's most comfortable for people. You'll also see that the face rest pad is now above the bed. It's not level with the top. Retighten the knobs and cam locks. Here you can see that she's using a pillow instead of the chest pad underneath her chest and abdomen, and then has a pillow also underneath her feet. This helps relax the legs. You can also roll up a towel under the ankles. You can also use just the face rest part of the face support on top of the bed. Again, all the adjustments are available for height and angle using the cam locks. We recommend basically making it pretty flat and locking the cam locks with it angled slightly down. In this way, if it's impossible to use it off the end of your bed, you can use it on top of the bed. Again, we're showing it being used with the chest pad, but any of the pillow configurations shown earlier can also be used, as shown here. A lot of times having a pillow underneath the pelvis area will make it more comfortable for you, both when using the face rest on the bed itself or the whole unit on the end of the bed. You can also use 2 pillows, whatever feels comfortable. Lots of pillows, lots of experimentation will lead to success. The armrest shelf folds in half. Unfold it and slide it in between your 2 mattresses. Push it in all the way. This helps your arms to be comfortable off the end of the bed. Otherwise, they have to be kept on top of the bed to be comfortable. When you use the lowered armrest shelf that's shown here, it's important to make sure your arms are supported. This is a little far down to be comfortable. So, she's going to adjust the face rest to make it possible to make her arms comfortable on the armrest shelf. As you can see here, it can be raised and lowered, but in this case, probably moving it a little farther away from the bed will allow her to get her shoulders off the end of the bed and feel more comfortable. Again, lock both cam locks and the knobs and scoot forward on the bed and put your arms down. This is a very comfortable sleeping position, but also good for some activities. If you have a phone with speakerphone capabilities, you may use it in this position. Also, drinking and eating are possible with this system. Using a straw and a cup is a great idea. You also might want to have some nasal decongestants to use when you're in this face down position, because a certain amount of congestion is typical. Next, we'll take off the crescent pad and the little plate that backs it up and replace it with the 3-pad system. This will allow us to wear glasses and be involved in activities where we are going to want to look at something. First, lie down with your glasses in between the pads. Then take off the 2 small pads and place them against your cheeks so that your glasses are free to float in between the 3 pads. Find a comfortable position, and then you're ready for reading. Here you can see that the distance has been set by using 3 telephone books to adjust the height of the reading material. A short table can also be used. And here the use of the sternum pad is shown. For large-breasted clients, you may find this to be very comfortable. Experiment again with all the different pillows and combinations. The face support can also be used on top of a desk. By releasing all the cam locks, sliding it off the end, and tilting the chest pad to a more vertical position, we can start to see how it would be used. If you have a gas lift chair, it's very helpful, especially for shorter clients. You want to get the highest chair you can that will allow you to get your legs under the chest pad. Then scoot in as close as you can to the desk and lock the 2 cam locks on either side of the chest pad. Then raise the face rest up and place your face in it. The face support is not designed to be used for sleeping while you're sitting in it. It's only for use in the bed if you are intending to sleep. So here we're showing it with the 3-pad system. Try and find a position where your face is as horizontal as possible. There are many adjustments that you can make. The chest pad can be moved up and down since it's attached with Velcro. So if it was hitting your legs, you may be able to move it up a little higher and then get your chair higher. The cam locks that we use can be rotated out of the way when they're locked also. You may also use a sternum pad, and here it's shown in a horizontal position and then a vertical position. Again, experiment and find out what works best for you.